Hello, my name is Emma, and I'm an English teacher from London. I've been teaching English online since 2018, helping students from cities like Tokyo, Sao Paulo, and small towns everywhere. They all want to learn English, just like you. Maybe you want to speak English, watch English movies, or feel confident. But maybe you think, it's too hard. I don't have time. I don't know how to start. Don't worry. I'm here to help. Learning English is a big goal, but it's not impossible. You don't need hours every day. You just need 10 to 15 minutes, a little effort and belief in yourself. This article gives simple tips for A2 learners to learn English, especially listening. These tips are easy and fun. Let's start. Break it down. Small steps, big results. Learning English is like climbing a small hill. It looks big, but small steps take you to the top. Don't say, I want to be fluent. That's too big. Say, today I learn 5 words. Or, I watch 1 short video. Small goals are easy and make you feel good. Here's a simple plan for 1 week. Day 1. Learn 5 words about food. For example, apple, bread, water, rice, chicken. Day 2. Watch a 3-minute cartoon with English subtitles. Day 3. Say 3 sentences. For example, I like apples. I eat bread. I drink water. Day 4. Listen to 1 line of an English song and sing it. Day 5. Write a short message. For example, my name is your name. I live in your city. New words. Goal. Something you want to do. For example, my goal is to learn English. Effort. Trying hard to do something. For example, I make effort to study every day. Try this. Write 3 words you know about food. Example, apple, rice, water. Consistency is better than intensity. Consistency means doing a little every day. It's better than doing a lot one day and then stopping. For example, studying 10 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Why? Your brain remembers better with small, regular practice. You don't need 1 hour. Do you have 10 minutes? 15 minutes? That's enough. Try these. Listen to an English song while eating breakfast. Read 1 English sentence while drinking tea. Watch a 3-minute video before bed. New word. Consistency. Doing something regularly. Example, I study English with consistency every day. Try this. Choose 1 time every day, example, morning, to practice English for 10 minutes. Write it down. I will practice at 8 a.m. Habit stacking. Make learning easy. Habit stacking means adding English to something you already do every day. For example, you brush your teeth, drink coffee, or wait for a bus. These are habits. Add English to them. Add English to them. Examples. While brushing teeth, listen to a 2-minute podcast. Try BBC Learning English 6-Minute English, episode Why We Love to Dance. While drinking coffee, read one English sentence. Example, the sun is shining. While waiting for a bus, use Duolingo for 5 minutes. New word. Habit. Something you do every day. Example, brushing teeth is my habit. Try this. Choose one habit, example, drinking tea. Add one English activity, example, listen to a song. Write it down. I will listen to English while your habit. Waiting time. Waiting time is when you wait for something, like a bus, a friend, or a doctor's appointment. Everyone has waiting time every day. Use it for English. Ideas. Apps. Use Duolingo or memorize for 5-minute lessons. Listen. Download ESL Pod episode Daily Life Going to the Grocery Store. Listen with earphones. Read. Keep a small notebook with sentences. Example, I have a dog. My dog is big. New word. Waiting time. Time when you wait. Example, I use waiting time to learn English. Try this. Next time you wait, open Duolingo and do one lesson. Write down one new word you learn. How to practice listening. Listening is important for A2 learners, but it can be hard. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Here's a simple way to practice listening. Choose short audio or video. Try a 2 to 3 minute video, like Peppa Pig, episode Mummy Pig at Work, on YouTube, with English subtitles. Listen first time. Don't worry about understanding, just listen to the sounds. Listen second time. Use subtitles. Pause after each sentence and repeat it. This is called shadowing. Find 3 to 5 words. Write down new words you hear. Example, Peppa says, Mummy, you're working. Listen again. Try to understand one more word or sentence. Tips. Use earphones to hear clearly. Don't be afraid of mistakes. If you understand one word, that's progress. New word. Shadowing. Repeating what you hear. E.g., I practice shadowing to speak better. Try this. Watch Peppa Pig. Episode Mummy Pig at Work. Write down 3 words you hear. Repeat one sentence. Find what you love. Learning is fun when you like it. Do you love movies, music, or sports? Find English resources you enjoy. Cartoons. Watch Peppa Pig or Dora the Explorer. YouTube with subtitles. Songs. Listen to Happy by Pharrell Williams. Sing the chorus. Because I'm happy. Books. Read Oxford Bookworms. Level 1, e.g. The Elephant Man. YouTube. Watch English Addict with Mr. Steve. Episode Basic English for Beginners. News. Read Breaking News English. Level 0 or 1, e.g. Cats are good for your health. Try this. Choose one thing you love, e.g. music. Find one English song or video about it. Write down one sentence. I like song video name. Don't miss 2 days. Sometimes you're busy with work or family. You might forget to practice. That's okay. If you miss 1 day, start again the next day. Don't miss 2 days in a row. For example, Day 1. You forget English. No problem. Day 2. Listen to a 3-minute song or read one sentence. This keeps your habit strong. Try this. If you miss 1 day, write a plan for the next day. Tomorrow, I will English activity. Make it fun and easy. Good habits are obvious, fun, easy, and satisfying. Obvious. Keep your English notebook by your bed. Read one sentence every night. Fun. Choose fun resources like a football video if you love sports. Easy. Start with 5-10 minutes. Learn one word or watch one short video. Satisfying. Celebrate small wins. Say, "Good job" when you learn a new word. Try this. After practicing English, write one sentence. Today, I learned what you learned. I feel good.